Good morning and welcome to Success News section,
in which we provide world's, national, states and our society's latest news.
So let's start.
India reacts to US campus protests. In every democracy, there has to be. As leading universities across the US continues to witness protests against Israel military action in Gaza, India said there has to be a right balance between freedom of expression, sense of responsibilities, and public safety in every democracy.
Hong Kong records hottest April in 140 years. Summer is not yet here, but April was already record-breakingly hot, announced the observatory on social media.
No cash in hand. Woman hopes to open Lok Sabha account in Odisha. A 25-year-old woman from Odisha with no cash in hand and bank deposits of rupees 20,625 is contesting from Koraput Lok Sabha seat on an SUCI communist ticket. Pramila Pujari, an arts graduate, said, "I don't have enough money to compete with wealthy candidates in the fray, but I will have an impact in the election." Despite financial constraints, her party has arranged a vehicle for campaigning.
BJP drops Brij Bhushan Singh, fills his son Karan from UP's Kesarganj constituency. BJP has persuaded controversial incumbent in Kesarganj, Brij Bhushan Saran Singh, to yield in favor of his younger son Karan.
Ex-cop waits for BDA site in Bengaluru 18 years after allotment. It was in June 2006 that M.N. Rajanna, former Deputy Superintendent of Police in the Intelligence Department, was awarded a BDA site under the ex-serviceman quota. It is May 2024 and his 40 into 60 square feet site at Bhairati Khane in Arkavati 18th block is yet to be handed over to him. He is now 80 and keeps frequenting the BDA office for his rightful due. 460 days and counting. Persistent protests to save farmland in Devanahalli near Bengaluru. Though farmers of 13 villages in Devanahalli taluk abutting Bengaluru have been protesting for over 2 years against the proposed acquisition of their land for an industrial project. No politician visited the protest site until the election. Residents of PFPH can lodge their complaint either by logging in the other app or by getting connected to the Prestige Property Management team through customer care desk number 9945536208. Here you can see the escalation matrix.
PFPH is planning to help orphanage and old age homes by donating books, toys, clothes, etc. If you also want to help, then you may contact to 7022201790 and be the part of the movement.
With respect to the announcement of movement to the PFPH clubhouse, access control will be activated with effect from 13 May 2024. In regard to the same, the access will be via mobile phone Bluetooth connection. Follow the procedure given here and send an email to helpdesk with apartment number, name of person, access ID. Subject of email will be access control along with the apartment number.
Meeting with PPMS team will be held on 4 May 2024 at 1700 hours in Clubhouse Hall 1.
So see you soon. Bye bye and subscribe for
Latest news and headlines of the day.